SPINDLEX built-in motor spindles, refining spindle craftsmanship and elevating the brand value of machinery. SPINDLEX brings European expertise in high-frequency spindle repair and manufacturing technology to the global market. We specialize in the repair of spindles from Europe, America, and Japan, and focus on the research and development of built-in motor spindles. With over 30 years of experience in spindle manufacturing, we are dedicated to our quality-first principle, constantly innovating to produce high-quality built-in high-speed spindles. Each component undergoes strict quality control, from raw materials to finished products, ensuring the precision and stability of our spindles. To maintain good customer relationships, it's not just about having great products, but also providing the best technical support and services. We have a team of highly trained engineers and advanced European grinding equipment. This enables us to produce high-class built-in high-speed spindles and provide excellent after-sales service. SPINDLEX's built-in high-speed spindles are meticulously crafted industrial masterpieces. We provide European quality customized spindle manufacturing along with prompt local after-sales service to meet customer demands. Our mission is to enhance the quality of the manufacturing industry. Crafting precision spindles, driving machinery's brand value. SPINDLEX built-in motor spindles.